Ano nga ba ang difference ng mutual funds, bonds, stock market, and etc. guys? No? Ito nga, sagutin nga natin itong message or tanong ni Love Kotako, one of our followers no, sa ating page. And nag-message nga siya kasi nga, of course, we're creating content on mutual funds, bonds, stock market, etc. So actually guys, mutual funds is a pool of investments. No? So it's a regulated by SEC, no, and may counterpart siya UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund under banks naman. Okay? So mutual funds, UITF, halos same concept lang yan, but different offerers, no, like for mutual funds we have the investment companies, no, like ATR, Kim Eng, we have PhilAm, we have Sun Life, we have PhilEquity, no. So maraming investment company or houses na nag-offer ng mutual funds, no. And for the UITF naman guys, ito naman yung in-offer, same concept, no, pooling of investments, and may mga fund managers but offered, no, by different banks naman. Okay? And ano ba yung pinagkaiba nito sa bonds and stock market? So yung bonds, stock market are types of investments naman. So you can invest in bonds and stock market through mutual funds or UITFs, guys, no. So pag nag-invest ka kasi sa mutual funds, no, tatanungin ka, no, ano ba yung gusto mo? Saan ka bang gusto mo mag-invest ng mutual funds, no? Doon ba sa mga mutual funds na naka-focus sa bonds? Doon ba sa mga mutual funds na naka-focus sa stock market or equities, or mix of both, no? So that's very important. No? Pag nag-invest ka, hindi ka pwede basta-basta sabihin mo lang na gusto ko lang ng mutual fund, mag-invest sa mutual funds, no. So usually you will go through a process like parang risk assessment din, no, test. So i-assess doon kung gaano ka yung risk appetite mo, no, yung mga objective mo, investment objective and goals mo, para ma-tailor sa iyo kung ano ba yung mga mutual funds, no, or type of mutual funds or UITFs na pasok sa goals or objectives mo. So there are different types, no, of mutual funds and UITFs. Some are pure bonds locally, meron din international bonds, no, ganoon din sa stock market. So may mga mutual funds or UITFs din na nakafocus sa Philippine market, sa index lang. May mga mutual funds na nakafocus lang sa mga dividend stocks, no, na tinatawag. And may mga mutual funds din na nakafocus sa international stocks. So make sure if you ever na mag-invest ka sa mutual funds, no, check mo muna yung fund prospectus of each fund para alamin mo kung ano ba yung mga nilalaman ng mga mutual funds or sa sila nag-i-invest, no. And ang maganda rito, may mga annual